Hey, this is Dan Dempsey from Lamello USA, and today we're here at Willow Carpentry in Peabody, Massachusetts. We're talking to the owner, Pete Bruckler, about how the Lamello P-System changed the way he builds and installs his custom cabinetry and millwork throughout the greater Boston area. Pete's a carpenter with more than 20 years of experience. He recently adopted the P-System in January, and since then, hasn't looked back.
So beforehand, we were attached to face frames with either pocket screws, or we were doing dominoes and clamping up with glue and waiting 20 minutes to an hour for glue to dry now. So we spend a lot of time on just doing that. A lot of my work now is I'm doing high gloss, I'm doing semi-gloss, I'm doing satin, doing flat finish, and those finishes can get scratched very easily. So adding the lamellos, I can get those. I don't need the big clamps. You got those little clamps and you push it together. And I mean, it snaps in. You're not worrying about damaging your face frames. From our cabinets, carcasses, to our face frames, to everything, we are able to break everything down and flat pack and deliver to jobs where we're working on 2-3 floors up, and we're going up spiral staircases, sometimes tight spaces. You can't be bringing 20-foot wide, 10-foot, 12-foot high built-in up those stairs. So we've found that this thing was amazing to flat pack everything, carry it up those stairs, and be able to install everything efficiently and in a timely manner, and still be able to, produce and make money and stay on top, but not be behind. So we're not at the job site wasting time, stick building, and trying to finish on site. Everything was pre-finished, so there was literally last lamello piece that clipped in on our baseboard. We popped it in, we hot glued that baby in, and we were out the door. There was no finishing, and you know what I mean? Its efficiency is what we're looking for. So I would say it's like a third of time savings. The amount of time that you spend on it, you're spending triple, quadruple, sometimes even more time, depending on the type of job. The bigger it is, you're going to spend probably 10 times the time. The bigger the cabinets are. Some of the cabinets that we're building are 8 feet high and 4 feet wide. And that's where the lamello is shining. In the end, it's all about like how much time, your efficiency you're going to be working with, and how much time you're going to save. The lamello is definitely going to save us time over and over and over again. And in the end result, we're actually saving money, and we're actually probably spending the same amount of money as the other guy doing the same thing, but we're actually saving labor and time in the end. It's been a game changer in our business. And we're expanding and growing, and Lamello here has helped us out a lot through this transition into being a professional, efficient cabinet builder and on-site installer. It's stepped up our game 110%.